How to create a collection for your saved posts. If we go to our saved posts on Instagram, you'll see that all of our saved posts are currently filed under an all post collection. Once you begin saving a lot of posts, it becomes a bit difficult to find a specific post. However, to help organize all of your saved posts, you can create collections to then file and categorize the posts. If you want to create a new collection, simply click the plus sign in the top right corner of your saved page. You can begin creating your collection by typing in a collection name and clicking Next in the top right corner of the screen. From all of your saved posts, you can select which posts you'd like to add to the collection and click Done. On your saved page, you'll now see that you have an additional folder for your collection, which includes any of our saved posts that we've assigned to the collection. Once you have your new collection created, it's even easier to save any new posts directly to this collection. Once you find the post that you want to save to your collection, find the Save bookmark just below the post and hold down the bookmark. You'll see that our new collection appears and we can save it to this collection simply by clicking the thumbnail. If we go back to our saved page and look at our collection, you'll see that the new video has been added. It's important to note that even though we save this video directly to our new collection, it still appears in our all post collection as well. And that's how to create a collection for your saved posts. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.